welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll show you how to turn on RTX Nvidia Video Super Resolution on the Windows. So basically, first step, we need to go to right click, show more option, then we need to open the Nvidia app. You need to make sure that your card is up to date, especially with the drivers. So you go to drivers from here, then you need to make sure that this new update is available by clicking on the download, or time to time it will show you that you are on the latest version. So after it, we will go to right click, then show more option, and we go ahead to Nvidia Control Panel. After that, when we open the Nvidia Control Panel, we will go to adjust video image setting. From here we will see RTX Video Enhancement Super Resolution set you as inactive. We will click here, and then we have from 1 to 4. Whenever you choose 1 and above, it will be have low impact on your cartographic, and whenever it's go to 4, it will be have maximum impact on your cartographic. Thank you for watching. If you need any other tutorial on Nvidia, just let us know in the comments.